Welcome to this moment of peace, a space where you can rest, release, and simply be. Today I want you to reach out and hold my hand. I'm with you. Don't worry. You will be okay. You're not alone in this moment. I am here for you. If you're feeling overwhelmed, heavy, or anxious, know that you are not alone. This meditation is here to support you gently and lovingly. So find a quiet space, sit down, or lie down in a way that feels comfortable. Let your hands rest loosely by your side or on your lap. And when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Once again, inhale. Feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale gently, letting go. Let each breath guide you into stillness. With each inhale, feel grounded. With each exhale, release tension, sadness, and fear. Let your breath be your anchor in this moment. Now, gently bring your attention to the top of your head. Relax your scalp, your forehead. Let your eyes soften. Release the tension from your jaw. Unclench your teeth and allow your shoulders to drop. Feel the heaviness melt down your arms into your fingertips. Move your attention down your body. Relax your chest and your stomach. Let your belly be soft. Let your breath flow naturally. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth, safe, grounded, and held lovingly. Now take a moment to notice how you're feeling inside. No judgment, no need to fix anything. Just notice whatever there is. Maybe there is sadness, maybe anxiety, maybe just numbness. Whatever it is, allow it. Say to yourself gently, it is okay to feel this way. I am allowed to feel what I feel. Give your emotions space to breathe. The more you allow them, the less power they hold over you. You are not broken. You are human and you are healing. No matter how hard life can get, remind yourself that you're worthy of love, light, peace, and happiness in life. This moment of sadness will soon pass, and it will be replaced by a good, soothing moment. Embrace your struggles and make something special out of them. You are not alone in your healing journey. There is always light within you, and there is always hope at the end. Now imagine a gentle, warm light above your head. A soft, golden glow, calm and comforting. With each breath, this light slowly begins to pour down over your head, your face, flowing into your heart, your chest. This healing light soothes every part of you, washing away fear, sadness, and tension. Allow it to travel through your body, down your arms, your spine, your legs, until your entire being is wrapped in this healing energy. You are safe. You are supported. And you are loved. Now silently or softly, repeat these affirmations after me. I'm worthy of love and happiness. I'm strong and I have overcome challenges before. I choose to focus on the positive aspects of my life. Each day brings in new opportunities for healing and growth. I have the power to change my thoughts and perspective. My journey is unique, and I embrace it with courage and resilience. Feel the truth of these words settle into your heart. Never forget how far you have come, everything you have been through, all the times you have found the courage to carry on even when you felt you couldn't. Think about all the times you wanted to give up, but you decided to give yourself another chance. Never forget how much you have achieved along the way. So no matter how bad things are right now, you are not going to feel this way forever. You will be okay. You're going to make it. Because you're incredible. Now take a slow, deep breath in and a long breath out. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes, and bring your awareness back to the room. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you today, and know that you can return to this space anytime you need. You are stronger than you think, and you are never alone. Repeat this meditation any number of times that you need. Take care of yourself and never forget that you are always loved.